Doesn't that look as if it just came out of a cookbook? Who can believe that this was done under 30 minutes with 5 main ingredients? Let's get into it. These are the main ingredients that you need: cheese, pasta, minced meat, tomato paste or tomato puree, milk or cream. So the other ingredients like seasoning, or if you're gonna use broth, you can find them in your pantry. So we're first gonna start by bringing the mincemeat, and at the same time I put on the water for the pasta. This part here is pretty self-explanatory. Salt, paprika, black pepper, fish seasoning, chicken seasoning, cayenne pepper, frozen tomato paste, water or broth, pasta water, salt, butter, pasta. Cover down, let it continue to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. Let it cook for 7 to 10 minutes. This is how it's looking, and I did put some oregano in it. I'm gonna give it a taste to see if it needs anything. So good. I think it does need like a pinch of sugar to get rid of some of the tartness. Look at these pasta, so big. So we're almost ready to assemble everything. While it's cooking, I'm gonna add some sugar into the sauce, and I'm gonna go ahead and shred the cheese. This is the amount of sugar I'll be using, just to cut down the tartness of the tomato paste. Now in the meantime, I'm gonna gather my milk, but if you have cream, you can use cream. I'm gonna shred cheese and also just prep everything to putting them together. So I shredded some cheese. I leave the other bit to shred on top of the pasta. So I'm gonna go ahead and drain the pasta water. I'm using about a half a cup of milk. I'm just gonna pour it into the ground meat. Get my doesn't this look so nice? And then I'm gonna take my pasta, which is drained, and put it right in there. I'm gonna try my best to mix it up. Look at that. I'm gonna turn off the stove and add some cheese in and just mix it all in. Now we're gonna grate the remaining cheese on the top, and then we're gonna serve and give it a taste test as usual. Doesn't that look as if it just came out of a cookbook? Let's split up. Oh, feel that. Mm, so good. Definitely a 10 out of 10. Let me know if you guys want more under 30 minutes or maybe 30 minutes cooking videos that are simpler, that doesn't have a lot of ingredients or steps, and I'll get that done for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.